Dallas? I don't want you going to Dallas at all. That place is crawling with crackheads and debutantes, and half of 'em play for the Cowboys. What are you looking at? Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, 'cause you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby! Baby want a bottle? A big dirt bottle? Is someone in there? Is this John occupied? Es esta Juan ocupado? Hey, don't reclinomite while I'm talking to you. I wish my daddy'd had the parenting skills to do this for me, I tell you what. I like stories. I like stories about piñatas. I've got the strangest feeling someone's gonna kick his ass. You need to take a 13th step down off your high horse. My God, are you still talking? Why is she still talking? Oh my God! Isn't it the most beautiful day you've ever seen? Bills, bills, bills. Why do we keep getting bills mail? Hey, what's cooking, good Men don't do that. Hey, now, if Ron Reagan dyed his hair, and I'm not saying he did, it was only to show his strength to the communists. You look better than good. You look like a weatherman. What a bitch. Something's wrong. She's like a pretty girl with short hair. This is exactly what those environmentalists should be spending their time on, finding ways to use nature against other forms of nature that are inconvenient to man. I like it already, son. You've grabbed my attention and got me eager for more. Shut the hell up. My name is Hank Hill, and I sell propane and propane accessories with honor and dignity.